Hey everyone, also here. This is going to be a separate video. We're going to be checking out the HHN construction updates. So we're going to head upstairs. We're at the lower lot right now. And we're going to go see any update on the Mummy Q one. So, which is rumored to be Texas Chainsaw Massacre. So there's yeah, who's excited for HHN? If it happens, who's going there? I'm going to be there. I'm going to have fun. I'm going to be with a group of people. So follow me on Instagram down below, and Vanessa's Instagram down below, and also my Cripclaw page, because I would also be posting some stuff there when it comes to the haunt season. So stick around guys and enjoy this video. Hit that like button. So here's the construction update.
There's already a facade.
There is a facade, like on the other side, like the main entrance over there. Like right here. No, that's illegal. But yeah, there's something right here. And like I said, this is the rumored to be Texas Chainsaw Massacre. So here's the first house. So there ain't much yet, unless they really focus on the front. So that's it for this house. We're gonna go look at the other ones when we can see in the tram, or the one by
Water Road?
Yeah, Water Road. So yeah, like I said, rumored Texas Chainsaw. I'm not saying, like, I'm going based off what I see on Instagram. If you want to get more updates from other people, follow the HauntLine and the Night of Horror. Follow these guys. Links in the description below. They are really into the haunt stuff, like very detailed. And I'm just checking it out because I'm here. I'm also giving an update because why not? Okay, so we're by Mel's Diner, and we see another Halloween Horror Nights construction, and it's back here. It looks like a book. So the thing is, in 2020, when they were first building this one, they were building this one downstairs at the studio tour. So maybe, I'm gonna just say rumored, because just based off the other videos I seen back then, last year, this might be the Billie Eilish maze. So rumored. All right, for the song "Bury a Friend." So this has to be like her diary, her journal. So we'll see. We're waiting on that announcement to drop. What's gonna happen? You know, I'm guessing sometime in July. I did get an email that they're looking for scare actors. So we'll see. Let's hope it happens in July. Get that announcement.